Hello, 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 guys. This is your Take-Home Cusinero at your service po ulit. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're gonna cook stir-fried fish fillet and vegetable. Prepare your vegetable and your fish fillet just like that, okay? Slice and dice. Wash it with maggot river water. Then slice and dice your fish fillet just like that, okay? Add a generous amount of oil for deep frying. I'm using cornstarch because cornstarch is heat resistant and won't easily be burned. Just like that. Then put it in the start deep frying. And turn it to golden just like this. Okay. Then in the same pot, add ginger, onions, and garlic. Just like that. Then put a small amount of soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Add pepper, sugar, cubes, and MSG. Put in the veggies, add onion, fresh onion, then toss it, just like that. Red bell pepper. Add the slurry, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, dissolve to water, then put it like that. But before we finish this one, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, toss your fish fillet, and add sesame oil.